I quit my 9-to-5 job because of side hustles. Not all of them worked, but some replaced my entire income. So in this video, I'm breaking down 10 that actually made money, how much they made, and which ones I'd do again in a heartbeat. If you've ever felt trapped in your job, burnt out, or wondering if there's more out there, you're not alone. This is exactly how we built a full-time income online. So my breaking point in my 9-to-5 job was I was working as a jail deputy and I was getting forced overtime. We actually had a vacation that was planned and paid for. I went into the sergeant's office to get the time off and it was denied. So in that moment, I realized that I am never going to let someone else be in control of my time. Also, obviously being a jail deputy is not a glamorous job. I fell into a really deep, dark depression. So I made the decision I was going to quit. I had no backup plan. I just went all in on learning different side hustles and testing them out. And within 2 to 3 months, I completely replaced my income from my 9-to-5 job. I was earning around $5,500 per month. Some side hustles flopped, others paid our mortgage. So let's break down the 10, what worked, what didn't, and how to get started building your own freedom. All right, so these phase 1 side hustles are the fast cash side hustles. The side hustles that got us cash coming in quickly, they're quick wins and side hustles that kept us afloat after I quit. And the first one is flipping items. We started to look around the house for anything that we didn't need or use. Old college textbooks, electronics, a Keurig machine that we haven't touched for months, and we listed everything on Facebook Marketplace, eBay, and OfferUp. Within a few days, we had our first few $100s. Now, flipping's not glamorous, but when you're broke and hungry for momentum, this is absolute gold. The catch is it's not very scalable unless you're constantly sourcing inventory from garage sales, thrift stores, or clearance racks. And at some point, I didn't want to spend my weekends hunting for stuff to flip. But we still today find things around the house that we no longer use or need and put them on Facebook Marketplace and earn a couple $100s per month. So I will always recommend this as one of the fastest ways to make money, especially if you need like $500 to $1,000 fast. This side hustle is definitely the one that got me my first quick win and started building that confidence and momentum to keep going. The second side hustle is actually VIP Kid and tutoring. I was looking for something that was online that was a little bit more stable. And that's when I came across VIP Kid, teaching English online to kids in China. And I'll be the first to admit, I probably shouldn't have gotten hired. I have dyslexia, so it's very hard for me to read, and to teach English to others was a challenge, but it was super fulfilling and really fun. It almost felt surreal after working normal 9-to-5s where you have your fixed schedule and you can't go against it. With VIP Kid, I could set up my schedule and be really flexible on when I wanted to work. I'd log into my office in upstate New York, teach for a few hours, and make anywhere from $25 to $30 an hour. This was a super flexible side hustle and one that earned me a couple $1,000s per month on my own time. The third side hustle was freelancing. I heard all the time that you could use the skills and experience that you already have and basically offer it to businesses to help them grow as a freelancer. And the cool thing about that is you would have flexibility in your schedule, something I definitely craved, and you could charge whatever you want based on the value that you're going to give to the clients. So once I built some confidence, I listed my digital marketing services on Upwork. I offered things like social media management, email campaigns, copywriting, or even writing blog posts on WordPress. My first paid freelance job, I was getting paid $100 to write a blog post. Again, those small wins are just fuel. I thought if I can do this once, then I can do it again. The great thing about freelancing and digital marketing was I was learning the skills that I eventually used in our next set of side hustles that really scaled our income. So I eventually raised my rates, landed better clients, and eventually made freelancing a key part to bridge our income. So my tip here is to kind of take an inventory of the skills that you already have, whether it's editing, Canva design, digital products, copywriting, email marketing. Take note of all the skills you have, write them down, and then go to Upwork and look at what other people are offering. Then create your profile, add your pricing, and boom, you're off to the races. Freelancing is absolutely incredible if you really want to quit your job and replace your income quickly. Again, I was making anywhere from $2,000 to $3,000 per month with freelancing, and pair that with VIP Kid, I was already replacing my income. All right, phase 2 is going to be building leverage with these side hustles. Now we're into the fun stuff. Income streams that don't just pay you once, but they keep paying you long after you've done the work. So the fourth side hustle is going to be content creation. So we started our brand, The Savvy Couple, in 2016 as a blog, YouTube channel, and social media, and we had zero clue what we were doing. We spent 9 months writing posts, learning SEO, experimenting with Pinterest, and we didn't make a single dollar. But then that one day, we made $50 from some random affiliate that changed everything. We started publishing every single week. Our traffic grew, we expanded to Facebook, YouTube, email, and content creation became the engine of our online income. It gave us leverage. One blog post could rank in Google for years. One YouTube video could get thousands of views every single month on autopilot. And most importantly, it built trust with our audience. This is still one of the greatest opportunities and side hustles that I recommend all the time. I have an entire video on coming up with your $1 million business idea, but it kind of walks through the framework of taking the things that you're passionate about, taking the things that you excel in and come naturally to you, and taking the things that people will pay you for. And when you intersect all three of those circles, that becomes your niche. And the cool thing about that is you get to create content on things that you are passionate about and excited about and come naturally to you. So it's fun to make the content, you're solving real people's problems, and you're getting paid to do so. I'm going to talk about how you can get paid as a content creator now. So number 5 is going to be affiliate marketing, and this is by far one of my favorites. We started recommending tools that we actually used, budgeting apps, blogging courses, even Amazon products. We'd write blog posts and make YouTube videos on 10 budgeting apps or tools we use to run our business. and we'd sprinkle in affiliate links throughout. The first $3 commission felt like a win. Fast forward, and we've had months where our affiliate income hits $50,000 in one single month. Yes, you heard that right, $50,000. It's scalable, it's fairly passive, and it works even with a small audience, as long as you build that trust. So now that you know about content creation, I'm gonna layer in the 4 ways that you can actually make money as a content creator. Number 6 is gonna be digital products. Once we had an audience, we started to create digital products that we could sell. These were just PDFs. The first one was a budgeting binder, nothing fancy, just a PDF template with a worksheet that we personally used to manage our money. We priced it at $17 and sold hundreds of copies. Then we launched our debt-free planner, our productivity planner, an email funnel template, and even a couple mini courses. The magic of digital products is you create them one time and they can sell over and over and over and over. There's no shipping, no inventory, and crazy amount of profit. Even a low ticket $9 product can be absolutely life-changing if you sell enough of them. We found so much success in selling digital products that my wife actually launched her own brand, The Savvy Mama. She sells a ton of different planners and templates, and she bundles them together, and then she also leads people into a membership for more printables and digital products. Again, we were finding so much success in The Savvy Couple, we sat her down and kind of did the 3-circle framework for the $1 million business idea again, and we realized she's amazing at home systems, she's really good at creating digital products, and then she's passionate about it as well, helping moms kind of organize the chaos in their home, and obviously moms are going to help pay for better home systems and more clarity and peace within the home. So that was her $1 million business idea, and she has one bundle of digital products that has made us over $1 million. Again, when you become a content creator, you can layer in all these ways to make money online, which allows you to really scale your income. So we have content creation, affiliate marketing, digital products. Let's talk about the next one. Number 7, display ad revenue. Once our blog traffic crossed 50,000 sessions in a month, we joined Mediavine. Now every time someone visits our sites, we make money. Now it used to not be a ton, maybe $10 to $50 a day, but it added up. And now our sites make anywhere from $250 to $500 per day with just display ads. We then took that money to reinvest in our business, into tools and courses to help us grow and scale our income. Same goes for YouTube. Once we hit the requirement for monetization, ad revenue kicked in there too. It's not life-changing, but it's consistent, about $500 per month. And again, with YouTube and our blog and social media, you can layer in affiliate marketing, digital products, display ad revenue. So now let's talk about number 8, which is brand deals. As our traffic grew on our blog and our YouTube channel and our social media presence as a whole kind of grew, brands started to reach out to us. At first, it was like $100 for an Instagram story or a free product to review, but now our brand deal packages, they start at $5,000. We basically package them together based on the budget of the brand. We want to make sure it's brands that we actually use and trust ourselves and that have value to our audience. So we'll kind of talk back and forth with the brand, come up with a budget, and then come up with a marketing package to utilize all of the assets within our business, The Savvy Couple or The Savvy Mama. And again, that can be our blog, our email list, our YouTube, and our social media channels. Our 3rd year into being content creators, we made over 6 figures in just brand deals alone. The key, having a niche and having an engaging audience. These big brands are finally realizing that micro influencers like ourselves have a very engaged and unique audience that's their ideal customer for their business. So they're willing to pay to get in front of them. Now, brand deals are not passive, but they're a great way to inject income when you already have a content engine running. All right, to summarize, this phase of side hustles all packaged together as a content creator, utilizing affiliate marketing, digital products, ad revenue, and sponsorships, we make anywhere from $30,000 to $50,000 per month on average. Our best months, when everything is hitting on all cylinders, we've made over $100,000 in a single month. So yes, these side hustles are absolutely life-changing. And again, when you become a content creator, you can stack all these together and it just works as a freedom flywheel. All right, phase 3 side hustles are ones that have reoccurring revenue that you get paid month after month after month, no matter what. This is where the true freedom and passive income come together. So side hustle 9 is gonna be a marketing agency. We realized that we had a proven system, creating content, getting traffic, and converting leads. So we started to offer this marketing services to small local businesses in our area. We offer everything from creating websites, blog posts, full SEO, which is search engine optimization strategy, and utilizing our marketing software. The great thing about a marketing agency is you're helping businesses grow their business, and businesses have money to spend. It's high trust, high ticket, and very fulfilling. You get to help local businesses with their marketing and help them build their dream. It's a true win-win. You're getting paid monthly recurring revenue. The business owner is growing their business and providing more services for the local area, and then their customers are happy. So one thing to think about, and I have an entire video on how to make money with Google Maps. This is how you find these local businesses. We're talking painters, plumbers, electricians. You basically go onto Google, look for ones that have no website or low reviews, and you can reach out and start offering them a service. I have a full free course below that helps you learn how to start an AI marketing agency. Just comment free course and I'll make sure to send it to you. But you basically find these local businesses that need a little help with their marketing or automations, reach out to them, and then offer your service using a simple software. You can help them with voice AI. You can do chatbots, websites, automations, text messaging, SMS, review automations. There's so much to offer these local businesses. This is an absolute goldmine. I personally know a handful of people that have quit their job to start a marketing agency and are making $10,000 plus per month. Number 10 is coaching or paid community. The last piece of the puzzle is helping others replicate the success that we've already had. So we launched coaching and a paid membership with weekly calls, training, and accountability. Our community is full of busy parents, side hustlers, and creators who want freedom but don't want to waste the years figuring it all out. We keep it real, we give them the systems, we cheer them on. It's reoccurring revenue with real impact. My wife's membership, The Savvy Mama, has thousands of paying members that pay every single month to get more printables, more accountability, and more systems in their house. Then we also recently launched a paid community for the savvy couple called Freedom Builders that helps you master your money, make money online, and build your life of freedom. Inside there, we have accountability, training, coaching calls that help you fast track your financial freedom. You can check it out with the link in the description. So that's our full story. From flipping junk in a garage to running multiple six-figure businesses online. We started with what we had. We took messy action, we posted cringy videos, and we learned as we went. Again, some side hustles flop, but some have been life-changing income for us that allowed us to both quit our 9-to-5 jobs in law enforcement and teaching and truly build and live a life of freedom. But the truth is, you really only need one side hustle that can change your life. So if you want to build income online and finally take control of your time, download our free Make Money Online Starter Guide. It's the exact roadmap we wish we had when we started. You've got this, my friend. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching. Smash the like button, share with a friend, and check out this next video on how to find your $1 million business idea. Peace.